back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing Boxy Charm unboxing and try on. I got this in the mail a couple of days ago, but I've been working, so I'm finally off and I'm able to show you guys what I got. So this is what it looks like. And this month's theme is peace, love, and Boxy. Okay. So the first thing I see in here is Bodygraphy Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. I don't know if you guys can see that, but looks like it's gold. I don't really know if I will ever use this. I really don't do anything on my eyes besides black, so we'll see. Next thing is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And it's loose powder highlighter. Oh my God, these boxes are hard to open. Okay, and this is how it looks. The packaging is really pretty. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. I'm kind of scared to open it because I don't know if it's gonna just like fall all over the place. Like, okay, so I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it has like a little sticker right here that you just peel off because this moves. And once you peel that off, you should be able to get the powder. Okay, you guys, so this is how it looks once you get it open. I don't know. It doesn't have too much glow to it. Let's see what else. Next, we have Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. I'm not too much of a lip gloss girl, so I'm kind of disappointed. Okay, so next we have Lexi brushes. I love getting brushes, you guys. I swear I could never have enough brushes. Okay, so the first brush that we have here is Lexi 512 Small Contouring Brush. And I mean, it feels good. Like I said, Lexi brushes are one of the good brushes to get in your subscriptions. The next one is a large shader in 209. The next one is small shader 245. Guys, I really love this. The look of it. It's so pretty. Okay, and the last thing in the box is Pure Festival. And this is how it looks in the back. Oh, and it brings this Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Nice. We'll use that today too. Okay, and this is how it looks. So it looks like we have 2 glitter shadows, and then the ones down here seem to be like your matte shades. Sorry you guys, I know you guys might be hearing my son yelling in the background. It's just him playing G-Puff or one of those video games online. Okay, so these are the top 4 in the row. Oh, those are really pretty. They seem to be super pigmented too, you guys.
Okay, so the next row. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm loving the purple, the pink, and the glitter. So pretty. I'm excited to try what I can do with this color.
Okay, you guys, I have like glitter like all over myself now. Okay, so next we're going to swatch the last row right here.
Oh my goodness. These are so pretty too. They're so pigmented, you guys. But we'll see how they go on. And
okay, guys, so that was everything inside my box. And to be honest with you, my least favorite, I would say, is the lip gloss. And then my least favorite would be the eye pencil, because like I said, I don't really use anything but black. And my second least one would be the lip gloss, because I'm not a lip gloss girl. I prefer liquid lipstick. And my favorite from the whole box would obviously be the palette, because it just seems to have really vibrant colors, and it's really pigmented, so which is always good. And then of course I love the brushes. I can never get enough brushes. So I'm going to primer my face off camera and do my eyebrows, and then we'll get started. Okay, you guys, so I have my eyebrows done, my primer, and my foundation on. Next, we're going to try this little packet that we got that is the eyeshadow primer, and see how that applies.
I'm just gonna stick my finger in there. It's pretty thick. So I'm just gonna pat it down with my finger and go into it with my sponge. Next,
we are going to go in with the eyeshadow. So I'm thinking I'm going to do one of the glitter, the pressed glitters, just to try it out. But I'm going to go in with Epic as my transition color.
I'm going to use my Farrah brush. transition. You guys, it's like super pigmented.
I'm going to use my Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and I am going to go in with Sunset right here. Doesn't really have that much fallout, you guys. Look. Oh, maybe it does. I'm going to go in with this color on my crease. It does blend really, really good, you guys. Okay, larger shader brush that I got in the box, and I'm going to go in my outer corner with Hidden Desert. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to go back in with Sunset. Just to make sure that that color doesn't, or just to make sure that color still pops. And then I'm going to go in again with my transition color, which is Epic. I'm going to reapply Epic on my eyebrow bone. Okay. So I'm kind of wondering if I should go in also with All Night, just to give it a pop of color, which I think I am going to do. And for that, I am going to use my mini angle brush. And this is from Luxie also. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit. And I'm just gonna do like the little bit of the outer corner. This one, I'm finding that's a little bit harder to blend with the rest of the colors. It's not blending as well. Go into it again with Hidden Desert. Just so that doesn't look so muddy. So last, I'm going to apply Fireworks with the Luxie Small Shader. 245. I'll be curious to see how my liquid eyeliner applies over the pressed glitter. Next, I'm gonna apply my eyeliner and my mascara and bronzer and all that stuff, and then I'll come back to finish recording. Okay, you guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup, and now I'm going my Lexi 221 flat definer brush, and I'm going to add some pop of color on the bottom. And I'm thinking I'm going to use the pink one, which is Wild Child. And like I said, that's just to kind of give it like a pop of color on the bottom. Next, I'm going to use the Artist Couture Glow Powder. And I am actually going to use the small contouring brush that came in the box. I know it says for contouring, but it's okay. And it's very orangey, so I'm wondering if it's gonna come off orangey on my skin. I don't know. Can't really. It's very subtle. I guess you just kind of had to build it up to get that intense glow look. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using this one too often. I definitely won't be reaching for it, but there's a lot of fallout. But last, lip gloss. This is how the lip gloss looks on alone. You could either put it on alone or you could choose to put it over one of your favorite matte lips But I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna, guys, so this is the finished look.